Hello, this is Shep and Nick here at the Sun Valley Auto Club, and in front of us this afternoon we have a 1950 Packard Super 8. This is an original car that has not seen a complete full nut and bolt restoration, but a lot of good work is done on it. It was found in a farm in North Dakota, so nice dry climate. We've got photos of the underside as well. Everything is tight. No rust, just a very solid car with a lot of original bits and pieces to it.
Okay, and as you can see, it's got really nice bright work, but there is some pitting on the chrome. That's just normal wear and tear. It kind of shows off the authenticity of that chrome, so that's good to see.
And some of that chrome's been replaced. The rear bumper was done. And one nice thing too, and I do have this on our photos, is we have the list and cost of what was done to the vehicle, and then that's also backed up with the individual receipts as well. So that's for the radiator, etc. So just by visually, you can find the new pieces, but we'll kind of show those off as we get to them.
You see the sandblasted wheels with those original hubcaps. You can get a closer view on that.
You got the beauty rings on there. Nice wide whites on there. It really completes the full look. That is also new paint. And the restoration was done, really in the range of 2006 through 2008. So when we say that's new paint, nice thing is it's over a decade old. When we go to auctions and we're in the viewing lane, sometimes it just smells like a paint booth in there, and you wonder how good the work was, if things are gonna, start to rear their heads 6 months later, whether that's Bondo or poor prep, shrinkage on the clear, etc. This is in great shape, but we're talking over a decade old, so it's definitely not going anywhere. While we're over here, we'll take a look at the interior.
That upholstery looks really nice. That's brand new upholstery, correct?
Yep, we got a receipt for $3,500 on the upholstery, new carpet. Original wheel, original dash, we'll get in on the other side. But your door cards, cloth in really good shape. What I like on this one, it has the wind windows and all 4 doors. So super comfortable back there. Truly just a sofa for a rear seat.
I don't know if you've ever driven with the wing windows before, but it makes for a pretty cool ride if you haven't.
And then all these, is such a great car, and found in its complete condition. Those doors shut, all the gaps are perfect. The door shut super easy. The gaps are good. And then as we're talking about, that is new replated chrome on the rear bumper.
I'm getting close on that.
Nice big trunk. You got your spare back there, sandblasted as well. Easy open and closing. And just every angle, this thing is sleek. I did get an opportunity to drive this one into the auto club. Drove 12 miles down the road during a dry spell with our weather. What a winter it's been. Incredible dome lights working. We're going to show you all the lights on the exterior as well. Everything works, including down to the license plate light. You got your under the dash lights on both sides, dome light, all correct and working. Original dash with original gauges. And some of those gauges don't work, and they weren't that precise. So if you see underneath the steering column, you've got oil pressure. Yeah, just right on this side, you got oil pressure and your temperature. The engine, I can't believe we haven't spoke about yet. That is the original 8, flat 8 in there. And this hood can open from either side. We've got your first release on either side. And then once you've got the release open, really important not to do both at once, but then that just opens right out. And then great engineering to be able to do that on either side. We got some good photos. Looks like the light is messing with us a little bit, but big old engine in there. A lot of cast iron. Give it a start and listen. Starter is underneath the accelerator pedal, and then it activates when you release the pedal. So like 3 pumps, which I didn't do at first. Give it 3 pumps, press down, and then as you're coming back up, that starter engages and starts right up, nice and quiet. The other thing that's really impressive about this car and the smoothness of that engine is just there's not a creak or a rattle. When I was going down the road, going 65, strong, smooth, and just, like I said, no creaks, no rattles. Just a wonderful car to drive. Here's the windshield wipers. That's activated. Just a dial right on the steering column.
Show them the lights. All right. So we got the running lights in the bottom, left and right. The headlights work great. Beams, high beams. Go ahead and go around back. Horn works great. So running lights, brake lights, left blinker, that right blinker, and the reverse lights work as well. Also, it's worth mentioning that license plate light looks pretty good at night and works well.
So the roads right now are too sloppy to get this beauty out, and so if this lasts on the market, you can always call or email Nick or I, and if the roads are dry, we're happy to get on the road. I can't wait to drive this car again. So there's a quick look at the 1950 Packard. If you've got any specific questions that we can cover, we can always send you photos. Shoot another video, whatever you need. We can help you out getting shipping quotes. Uh-oh, my smoothness ended.
Pressure's on.
I know. Such a good drive to go. There we go. So thanks for spending some time with us. I'm Shep. I can be reached at 208-721-1973.
And this is Nick. My phone number is 563-676-8225. All right, thanks.
Talk to you soon.